Hey guys and gals, Darren with the Solstice Meadery here with another quick update on a couple of brews that you may be following. But first, don't forget that I've recently joined the Twitterverse and will be using that platform to share videos and articles, etc., of course, but more importantly, I'll be using it to announce when and where I might be on short notice. If I happen to be in your area when I post, I encourage you to come out and join me. If I have brews with me, we shall partake. Or if you happen to bring your own brews, you can bring them out with you. Well, the party won't get started until you show up. So follow me at Solstice Meadery for live updates. Also, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button down below. They aren't there just for pretty, you know. So let's get back to the updates then. First up, we have the Capsicumel. This one was super hot when I first tried it when it was racked to secondary. It was really cloudy and had a very faint green tinge to it from the peppers. Well, the green is all but gone now, as you can see, along with the cloudy. Look how clear this is. I think it's time to back sweeten and prep it to bottle, don't you think? Look how easy you can read that fancy masking tape label. Next up is the Pyment. This brew tasted like a very young white wine when it was racked to secondary. It's pretty clear now. I haven't used any type of fining agents on any of these brews, actually, not just this one, but none of these have had any fining agents put in them. It still has a bit of cloudy, and it's a bit redder tint, perhaps. Still, I'll probably let this one age a bit longer before back sweetening and bottling. But man, you can still read that pretty good through the bottle. And this is with no additional light. None of these have any additional lighting to them. Last but not least is the McMead. She looks amazing, super clear, and next to no sediment on the bottom of this one. I know you can't see it in the picture, but there's just the finest layer of sediment on the bottom. And I know, I promised a McApple little brother to this one, and he's coming soon, I promise. But after the pain in the you-know-what this one was to bring together, well, let's just say I'm not looking forward to back sweetening this one, let alone putting together a McApple. But it will happen. It will be done. This one is just about ready to back sweeten and bottle as well, I think. Well, that's it, folks, for now. And I hope you like this update. If you like what's going on here, don't forget, like and subscribe. Share that video with your friends and your social media. And remember, you're worth it. Drink like royalty and have some mead.
Hey guys, wanted to put a quick update on the end of this video, this update video for the 3 meads that I reviewed. I'm going to try to put a poll at the end of this. So let me know in the comments below, or by answering the poll, which mead do you want to see me do next? Do you want to see a blueberry? Do you want to see a blackberry? Or do you want to see something of the Swedish persuasion? You let me know. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Put a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you want to see me do next, and that's the one that I'll do. Talk to you later, guys.